Can you identify the rear ends of 20 iconic cars? Let's start the classic car quiz. Which of these 4 classic cars does this rear end belong to? The correct answer is A, 1959 Buick Invicta. Pick from the following choices. It's D, 1971 Chrysler 300. What's your best guess for this one? This classic is A, 1966 Imperial Crown. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next classic car quiz. Make your selection for the back of this car. As you might have guessed, this is C, 1957 Lincoln Premier. What do you think this auto is? You're riding in style with D, 1973 Buick Riviera. Which of these vehicles do you think we're looking at? This is B, 1934 Studebaker President Land Cruiser. Make your choice for this classic car. The correct answer is A, 1955 Ford Fairlane. What is your pick for this station wagon? If you pick D, 1960 Rambler Custom Cross Country, you're correct. Time to make your final answer from these options. You're looking at C, 1973 Ford Thunderbird. So which automobile are we looking at? The right answer is A, 1963 BMW 3200S. Pick your answer for this vintage auto. This classic is C, 1953 Hudson Hornet. Which of these do you think this is? Yes, it's D, 1971 Cadillac DeVille. Select from these four answers. This one is B, 1970 Aston Martin DBS. What's your best guess for this vehicle? If you guessed B, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, you're right. Make your final answer from the choices below. This is D, 1951 Dodge Coronet. Choose from these four autos. You got it right if you answered A, 1963 Chevrolet Impala. Which classic is this one? The correct choice is C, 1928 Hudson Super 6. Select the right answer for this vehicle. It's D, 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan. Do you know this one? Choose from these 4 answers. This one is C, 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint. Which of these vintage autos is this? If you said A, 1967 Renault Caravelle, give yourself a point. Leave a comment and let us know how well you did on the quiz. Don't miss the next classic car quiz. Subscribe to our channel now.